Meaning of death trap.
Death trap.
Death trap.
Death trap.
Death trap. A death trap refers to a situation or place that is extremely dangerous and may lead to death or serious injury. It can also refer to an object or device that is designed or operated in an unsafe manner, posing a significant risk to the user. The consequences of encountering a death trap can be catastrophic and may include severe physical harm, disability, or even fatal injuries. It is essential to exercise caution when dealing with potential death traps to avoid putting oneself or others at risk of harm.